Let's ABC time. Ready? Let's go.
Hello! Brown color. Light pink color. Purple color. And this is a yellow color. Capital letter S. D. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint. Red color. S for snake. T for train. Light green color. U for unicorn. V for vase. Yellow color. W. W for watch. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. S T U V W X Y and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.